Alright, so they're here today to clean the pooper. A lot of people said I was a rookie because I cut the toilet out. The first thing I did was cut the toilet out and cut the water off. My heating bill with nobody living in the crib was $153 for the month in February. It's like another $80 in September. In March. The electricity bill was like $153. The electricity bill's gonna be crazy because we got everything hooked up. You can't afford, it's cheaper, unless you want food stamps or government assistance, is a lot cheaper to pay the $200 for the porta potty and just have the whole everybody pooping in it than to have some dude take a pee, flush the toilet, wash his hands. That's money because they charge you for the discharge. So they're here to clean the pooper. Let's go check it out.